Welcome to our green oasis of knowledge, where we'll be your trusty guides through the vibrant world of USDA gardening zones and the art of choosing the perfect plants for your garden. Whether you're a seasoned gardening guru or just dipping your toes into the soil for the first time, grasping the concept of your gardening zone is like unlocking the secret to flourishing plants. Throughout this immersive guide, we'll take you on a journey deep into the heart of USDA zones, assist you in uncovering your precise gardening zone, and introduce you to a colorful array of plants perfectly suited to each zone's unique climate. So, let's embark on this botanical adventure together and watch your garden bloom with life. Understanding USDA gardening zones. USDA gardening zones serve as a geographical roadmap for gardeners, offering valuable insights into the climate conditions of different regions across the United States. These zones are divided based on average annual minimum temperatures, with each zone representing a 10°F difference in temperature range. From the frost-prone Zone 1 to the balmy Zone 13, each zone presents unique challenges and opportunities for gardeners. Finding your zone, discovering your USDA gardening zone is the first step towards gardening success. Fortunately, there are numerous resources available to help you pinpoint your zone with ease. You can use online tools, consult zone maps provided by the USDA, or even reach out to local gardening experts for guidance. Once you've identified your zone, you'll gain valuable insights into the specific climate conditions of your region, allowing you to make informed decisions when selecting plants for your garden. Using the planting calendar. The USDA planting calendar is a valuable tool that provides guidance on the optimal times to plant various crops based on your zone's climate. By following the recommendations outlined in the planting calendar, you can maximize your gardening success and ensure that your plants thrive throughout the growing season. From determining frost dates to identifying ideal planting windows, the planting calendar offers valuable insights to help you plan your garden with precision. Growing plants in your zone? Now, let's explore the exciting world of plant selection. Each USDA gardening zone offers a unique palette of plants that are well suited to its specific climate conditions. Here's a brief overview of some popular plants for different zones. Zone 3-4. In these colder zones, focus on cold, hardy vegetables such as carrots, cabbage, and broccoli. Perennials like daylilies and hostas also thrive in these cooler climates. Zone 5-6. With a longer growing season, Zone 5-6 is perfect for growing tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers. Add a splash of color to your garden with annuals like marigolds and zinnias. Zone 7-8. These mild zones offer ideal conditions for a wide range of fruits and vegetables, including strawberries, squash, and beans. Enhance your garden's beauty with hydrangeas and roses, which thrive in these temperate climates. Zone 9-10. In these warm zones, citrus fruits such as oranges and lemons flourish, along with heat-loving vegetables like peppers and eggplant. Create a tropical oasis in your garden with palm trees and bougainvillea, which thrive in the sunny, balmy conditions of zones 9-10. Congratulations! You're now equipped with the knowledge and insights to navigate USDA gardening zones and select the perfect plants for your garden. By understanding your zone, utilizing the planting calendar, and choosing plants suited to your specific climate conditions, you'll be well on your way to gardening success. So roll up your sleeves, dig in the dirt, and watch as your garden blossoms into a vibrant oasis of greenery and color. Happy gardening!